Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get free trial on Shopify. So first thing first, open your browser, type in shopify.com, you will see a page like this. Now in your bottom left hand side you will see start for free. Go ahead, click onto it. As you do that, you can see that you will get 3 days free trial, and for 3 months for only $1 a month, meaning total $3 for 3 months. Now, if you already have an account, you may go ahead and sign in. In my case, I don't have an account. Let's go ahead, select sign up with email. You could also sign up with your Google account. So go ahead, type in your email and create yourself a strong password and select create Shopify account. Again, if you have already an account, select login. And once done, you will see that you will first have to enter your credit card information. So go ahead, type in your first name, last name, your card number, month, year, and your CVV. Once done, select subscribe for $1 USD. And likewise, once the 3 days trial will end, you will be charged like this. On your left hand side, you will see what the process is going to be like. And just like so guys, this is how you can start your free trial. Thank you for watching.